In this video, we're going to be looking at how to divide polynomials, specifically using long division. So let's get into this practice question here. 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 1, all divided by x minus 1. So we started by setting this up just like any other long division problem. 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9. That's a weird looking x. Okay. So what we have to do now is we have to find whatever number we can, what the number we have to multiply this by in order to get the first term. So if we want to multiply something by x in order to get 3x cubed, let's set up an equation on the side to figure out what that would be. X times some unknown constant or variable times something would give us 3x cubed. If we divide both sides by x, we get that a equals 3x. So we put 3x on top, and wait, over here. And if we divide both sides by x, it's actually x squared. 3x cubed divided by x is 3x cubed, as 3x squared. And yeah, we just see that that equals the same number that's there, 3x cubed. Now we have to do the same with the second term in the divisor. So minus 3x squared. Now what we have to do is subtract these. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is just 0. 2x squared minus negative 3x squared. We have two negatives here, so that turns into a positive. So we add them instead of subtracting. That's 5x cubed squared. And then we move this 9 down because we need it now. Yeah, now we do exactly what we did there with this new set of terms. So what number times x would give us 5x squared? Let's call this new variable b. Divide both sides by x, and we get that b equals 5x. So we add it up here. 5x times x is 5x squared. Negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. So now all we have is 9 minus 5x. You can't subtract a constant by a number that's multiplied by a variable, so we just leave it like that. We should probably put the variable first because that's how it is in the divisor. Negative 5x plus 9. Now we can still divide this by this one more time. So we have to find what number goes into negative, goes multiplied by x in order to get negative 5x. And we can see that that number would probably be negative 5. If we multiply negative 5 times x, we get negative 5x. So we move that down here. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is 5. Yeah, negative 5 minus negative 5x is just 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. And we can't multiply any number by any constant by x to get 4, so we're just left with 4 by itself. Now what we have to do is we have to answer the main question. The answer to 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9 divided by x minus 1 is 3x squared. We're just taking the number that we got on the set of terms that we got on top, and we add it to the remainder divided by the divisor. So this is our final answer. 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 3x squared plus 5x minus 5 plus 4, which we got from down here, divided by x minus 1, which is the divisor.